So like many of you Apple fanatics, I too am very excited about a lot of the new iPhone 17 features, but I was wondering, why did Apple downgrade the 5x zoom lens to a 4x zoom lens? The answer may surprise you. Ooh. All right, so here's the thing. The 48 megapixel sensor is actually 48.7 megapixels at 8064 by 6048. 4K video, on the other hand, is 3840 pixels by 2160 pixels, which is equivalent to roughly 8.3 megapixels. So if you divide 48.7 by 8.3, you actually get a 5.86 crop factor, which lets you zoom in 5.86 times on each 48 megapixel sensor before you start to lose pixel quality. But hang on, there's a catch to this, because that 8000 by 6000 is actually the full open gate sensor for the photo. And since 4K video doesn't use open gate, it's actually cropped to 16 by 9. We also have to crop that resolution. And when we do so, we get 80,000 by 4533 pixels, which is actually 36.5 megapixels. So when you divide 36.5 by 8.3, you actually get 4.39, which we're going to round up to 4.4 times. So this means each lens, the ultra wide, the normal, and the zoom lens, with a 48 megapixel sensor can crop into each sensor 4.4 times before you lose 4K pixel quality. Okay, great. So why does this matter? Well, with the iPhone 15 and 16 Pro's 5x lens, zooming between the 1x lens and the 5x lens creates a problem, because everything between 4.4 all the way up to 5x is less than 4K quality. So Apple solved that problem by making each lens interval less than the 4.4 crop factor that the 48 megapixel sensor allows. And in the default camera app, the zoom allows you to go all the way up to 15x. Well, the 4x zoom lens times a 4.4 crop factor equals 17 point something, which is beyond what that 15x zoom allows you to go. So in conclusion, because of the 48 megapixel upgrade and the shift to the 4x 100 millimeter equivalent lens, every single interval from 0.5 all the way to 15x will be equal to or greater than 4K pixel quality. And that's why Apple removed the 5x in favor of a 4x zoom lens.